Cerebro AI is one of the best newly released AI tools making waves right now. And today, I'm going to give you the 7 crucial things you need to know before diving in. Stick with me until the end, because I'll be revealing a surprising feature about Cerebro AI that could completely change the way you use AI software for your business. First, let me just say that Cerebro AI has quickly become a go-to for marketers, business owners, and creators looking to streamline their workflows. It offers an all-in-one suite of tools designed to take your productivity to the next level. You can start using it for free right now by checking out the first link in the description below. Let's dive into the key features of Cerebro AI. What makes it stand out from the crowd? First up, it has advanced automation capabilities. If you're familiar with AI tools, you know that automation is key to efficiency. With Cerebro, you can automate repetitive tasks like content generation, customer support, and data analysis. This isn't just about saving time, it's about scaling your business without adding extra overhead. Trust me, if you haven't tried automating with Cerebro AI yet, you're missing out. Next, there's its intuitive interface. Unlike many AI tools that can be overwhelming, Cerebro is surprisingly user-friendly. It's designed for people at all levels. Whether you're an experienced marketer or someone just starting out with AI, you'll appreciate how easy it is to navigate. You won't need to spend hours figuring out how to use it. Just dive in and you'll be up and running. Now, let's talk about its content generation feature. If you're a content creator or marketer, you know that creating fresh, engaging content is crucial. Cerebro AI helps you generate blog posts, social media captions, emails, and even video scripts, all optimized for SEO. It uses cutting-edge natural language processing to make sure the content doesn't just sound good, it performs well in search engines too. Another game-changing feature is its data analysis tool. Cerebro isn't just about creating content, it's also about understanding the data behind it. This tool analyzes customer behavior, trends, and performance metrics, so you can make data-driven decisions. Whether you're running an ad campaign or tracking website traffic, Cerebro helps you stay ahead by providing actionable insights in real time. But here's something that sets Cerebro apart: its collaboration features. You can invite team members, assign tasks, and even collaborate on content creation directly in the platform. This is great for teams that need to work together, but also want to keep everything in one place. The seamless integration of team collaboration with AI automation makes this a powerful tool for any growing business. Another key aspect is its affordability. While many AI tools are locked behind expensive pricing tiers, Cerebro offers a highly competitive pricing model. Plus, it gives you the ability to test everything for free, which is perfect for small businesses or individuals on a tight budget. And finally, if you're someone who's constantly on the go, you'll appreciate Cerebro AI's mobile app. Now, you can manage your projects, generate content, and analyze data all from your phone. This level of accessibility is something you don't often see in AI tools. So, there you have it. Cerebro AI is a versatile, powerful tool designed to save you time, automate your workflow, and help you create top-notch content without the complexity of traditional software. If you want to check it out for yourself, use the first link in the description to get started with a completely free trial. Before I go, I've tested thousands of AI tools, and I've curated my top picks, which you can also check out in the description below. Whether you're just starting out or already deep into digital marketing, these tools will help you take your business to the next level. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.